Look, when I take a shot of soju, I'm inspired. I can paint, look. I painted Jimin from Spring Day in my maong jacket. At least, I get my internal system sanitized.
Yan na. Basta matulog ka na lang, huwag ka na kumain.
Hindi, alam mo
Kasi
sana.
lumala ka siya kumain pag kumain.
Tingnan, grabe ka! Another episode of our Budol Sonyeondan! So every month, Mama, you know how they make budol of me, and you know for sure because you handle my credit card because I don't trust myself. I only trust my mom. So today, Oma, we're gonna be unboxing the season greetings na tinago ni Jean sa bubong ng elevator.
No, ceiling. Not roof.
Sorry. Oh, diba si Mama alam niya yan. So, tinago ni Jean sa ceiling ng elevator na legendary. Oh, diba parang sa Mobile Legends, legendary si Jean. At saka, ang winter package na dumating din just a few days ago. So, okay. So, let's start off with the season's greetings since everybody's cray-cray over this. I'm cray-cray because we have the same. Ganyan, may photoshoot ako niyan 3 years ago, yung ginawa ni Jimin. Yung namalengke ako na meron akong bandana. Okay, so we start off with... Season's greetings, Budol Sonyeondan! Yon, Jan, Dal, Rok. Ano yung sabihin nun, Ma?
Calendar.
2021, Bangtan.
Bangtan.
Yon, Chan, Dal, Rok.
Calendar.
Hindi ko alam kung may nakashot o ikaw eh. Pag mas mabilis, baka yun yung mag-gets natin.
Yeah. BTS calendar.
Bangtan, Yon, Kan, Dal, Rok. 2021, Nyundo, Hon, Kol, Rok, Amiwa, Hapje. Okay, so ayan, calendar. Okay. So, let's browse. Ikaw na. Ikaw mag-browse. Yeah. Habang
January, February. I like his outfit. March, with Suga. April, RM. This is RM. He's so guapo. Guapo means handsome, RM. Suga! Suga is so cute. Jean is worldwide handsome.
J-Hope.
J-Hope. Handsome and handsome.
Oh, baby boy.
You
Sarang
look like a girl, you're really handsome.
Eh, ako mukha akong girl. Di handsome ako. Ma, tiyan mo eh, pareho kami earrings.
This December.
Ay, Mama, nagiging Jungkook na ako. Paano yun?
Ask him.
Okay, sige na, mabuksan na natin to.
Okay.
Let's open
One
it.
last is December.
Okay, let's open the season greetings. Budol Sonyeondan! Ta-da! As soon as you open it, it's like that. Retro style again. And inside, ginagawa mo, Mama. Okay, so binuksan na po ni Mama ang laman ng season's greetings. Halatang binuksan na. Ma, tingnan mo yung laman. Photo album to eh. Ito mo yung laman, Ma. Mama, baka na-meet mo na ba yung 8th member ng BTS?
Mr. Bang.
Mr. Look! Tada! Oh! Tada! 8th member.
Why are you there?
Ako yung makeup artist. Makeup artist / girlfriend.
That was in your movie.
Wow! Wow! Kabisado
Gerald.
mo! Ay, linya ko sa movie yun eh. Always be my maybe. So, what's included is what's my mom holding up. And then, here, the sa notebook. Sige na, labas ko na to para magamit na. O ma, sa'yo na to. O baka gusto mo rin to. Calendar! O, di ba? BTS, Budol Sonyeondan calendar! With their photos. Like an echo in an honest, I got to how to get you. I'm a weirdo. Akala ko I'm a weirdo yun eh. Kasi ako yun eh. I'm a weirdo. CD? Ano nasa CD na to? You have a... And then, photo book. And then stickers. And then, another photo. When will I ever meet an oppa? So we're done with the season's greetings. We're now gonna open the winter package. Winter package comes in a purple package, like this, and then with the plastic already torn when they delivered it to me. So now we're gonna open it. Sirahan na eh. Sirahin na natin. So right now we're gonna be opening and unboxing this winter package over here. Oh! Oh! Cute ta! Wow! Wow!
Purple.
Wow!
Purple.
Wow! Cute! Oh!
Velvet,
So ito na
velvet.
lang yung casing mo para doon sa ano mo, iPad mo.
Will
Ay,
it fit?
ganda.
Yeah, I'll see if it fits.
You'll see pa, you'll see. You really want it naman. Pabili ka ng pabili ng mga BTS. Let's show them what it looks like. It's like that. Army winter package. Inside, whoa! Is this big photo book winter package with Army 2021 in Gangwon. Wow! Ang cute! Ang cute! Jean.
It's jeans.
Wow! Yee!
Are you gonna put back the plastic?
Ay, sige, hindi na siya rin. Di ba sabi nila pag sinira mo yung packaging, mas marami dadating sa'yo.
If it's a gift,
It's a gift
gift
from me to myself. Wow! Ang cute! Ang cute! Ang cute! Ang cute, ma! Ayan o. Para sila mga vampires. Diba?
Cookie.
J-Hope po! Pobi! Jiminchi! Tay-tay! Oh! Ha! Oh! May naligaw na photo po! Oh! Photo card!
Card.
Oh! RM! Oh! Isa na? Oh! Wow! Po naman! Wow! Ang cute! Wow!
Oh, another one.
Wow! May picture na nakasiksik! May mga surprise pa naman sa loob. Cute ni Suga! Oh, cute!
Ang cute ni Sugar. Parang baby.
Wow! Gusto kong pumunta dyan. Gusto ko na... Ah! May ganyan akong hat, mama! Wait!
Let me see.
Hat! Tingnan mo, mama. Ito, binili ko rin to sa Korea. La 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 Arigato, arigachi. I'm a weirdo. I'm a weirdo. Grabe, no? Summer na, pero ang in-open namin, winter package. Kasi winter na sinugto eh. Summer na dumating ng Pilipinas.
Oh.
Hi, my love. Hi, my love. Wala. Ha? Sarang eh. Kaya to. Oh!
Stickers.
Photo, pero sabi niya, Chun, Chanan, ang gulo ng sulat. Wow! Sulat ni Jimin eh! Pwede, ito kay RM. Ito kay Jean. Ito mo, nabasa ko. Jean. RM, Jean. Ito, Ornche, J-Hope. Ito, kay Jiminchi, kay V. Oh, alam ko na yung mga
Suga.
sulat nila. Alam ko na yung
Suga,
penmanship
wala.
nila. Ito yung dark side. Parang ako, may dark side. Tapos, the bright side.
Light side.
Okay, and then there's a CD. Winter Package 2021 in Gangwon. Grabe, ang galing talaga ng BTS. Napakaganda.
Everything in
ng
purple.
packaging. Tapos may film. This is the surprise. It's Jin. And then photo cards. Wow! RM. Suga. Oma. Jin.
Jean.
J-Hope. My love. Youngshi. Jungkook. BTS. And then there's a Velcro of all the boys. Jungkook. Si Jungkook Muscleman na snowman. Tapos si V, Jimin, J-Hope, Jin, Suga, and RM. One more. One last. A photo of the boys, the dark side,
It's
and
coming Christmas.
the bright side. Comparison. Grabe, no? They're always busy for sure. Every season, everything talaga eh. They manage
They
to
have
shoot
4
everything eh.
seasons.
Sipin mo, hindi sila napapahinga. Kasi, hindi tumitigil yung pambubudol nila sa atin eh. So that's it. Yun yung laman lahat ng winter package. Wow! So, ano na naman yung kukunin mo, ibubudol mo sa akin? For sure, may mga walang isang peraso dun, or 2 or 3 eh. Okay, and that's it for our Budol Sonyeondan. And always remember that happiness is priceless. Right, Uma?
Yes.
Nag-hesitate siya for a bit because she's the one handling all my finances. And all she can see, there's like BTS, 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 BTS. But it's all worth it because my heart is full and I am happy, and so is my Oma. So thank you so much for joining us today. We're gonna say bye for now, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. We only have a few. That's Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. So bye 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 bye. Thank you. Bye bye.